Hello, welcome back to our channel. So today video I will show you how to remove background from your photo. Okay, please don't forget to subscribe our channel before we get started. Alright, so I'm gonna show you the website that very easy to remove background, so you don't have to know about Photoshop, how to edit your photo, remove your background. So I will show you very simple and easy. So first we need to go to remove.bg, remove background, yeah, to the site. Alright, just click on this, remove image background. Alright, so here you can upload your photo. I'll click upload it. You can loading from your phone, or you can download from Google, from anywhere, yeah. So I'm gonna choose the photo. Now choose this one, for example, for phone, and it's done. Let's see. Okay, you got it. I will show you, and you can download HD or just, for example. Okay, just click download and you can find here. Just click open. This is the photo that you haven't removed background, so just download HD, right? And just wait for it downloading. Just wait, it's slow internet. Let's see. Yeah. Now that one is stuck. Alright, so just download again. Alright, so let's go to gallery to find it. Okay, so this one, I click on it, so it's no background, right? So it's very easy. Yep. So hope you guys love this video, and please don't forget to like and subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching. Bye bye.